A capsule wardrobe built from repairable pieces and locally sourced natural fibers can dramatically shrink fashion's carbon footprint. Experts argue that durability, repairability, and transparent local supply chains outperform trendy fast fashion for long-term climate benefits. In interviews, a textile scientist explains how natural dyes and regenerative cotton reduce water use, while a tailor demonstrates practical repair tips. A life cycle analyst breaks down the math behind local production, cutting transport emissions, and consumers learn to evaluate true garment lifespans. Finally, viewers are invited to start small with one repairable piece, map local fabric sources, and set a 5-step sustainability plan.